In a case of repeat offenses, officers responded to a gas station in reference to an intoxicated female causing public disturbance. She had already been trespassed from 3 different locations that day, and this was the 4th time police were called on her.
They're all trying to get me in trouble.
What's up, Aiden? You just acting strange.
The female was also arrested 2 weeks ago in a public intoxication incident with charges of battery on a law enforcement officer. Police Insider had reported on the same in an earlier video.
I had 2 drinks, and why am I having to deal with this?
Do you have any medical issues?
I have lots of
26.
pain.
Anything that requires you to go to the hospital?
Yes, please.
So what's wrong with you? You feeling pain somewhere?
Okay. They've been beating the shit out of me every day Okay, you know how there's like a voodoo doll?
Yeah.
Okay. They have been beating the tar out of me every
you're talking about what's it called? Where they have the doll and you're the doll?
Yes.
Whatever they do to the doll happens to you? Is that voodoo? Is that what that's called?
Yeah, and I've been trying to walk away, but they keep calling you guys.
So where are you hurting? You said you're in pain?
My back, my legs, everything.
Okay.
So
I'm
not trying to, like, cops are my friends, right?
Right.
But what I'm saying is why do you guys keep coming? I mean, they keep calling.
Well, because we want to make sure you're okay. Because people are
I'm
calling.
great.
Right. But you said
they're
you're
calling because you understand what's going on, right?
I think it's orderly, that's why they're calling us. You're smashing windows of businesses. That's not normal.
I mean, the cops have been called on me 100 times.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
So are you planning on going back home to Texas?
If y'all can't take care of me, then yeah.
No, we're not going to take care of you. You take care of your own self.
Listen, I've had the cops called on me 3 times in one day.
All right.
There's a problem with that.
Okay, maybe, have you thought maybe your actions are the problem?
No, not at all.
You don't think so?
Not at all.
Keep your hands out of your pocket.
It's because of who I am.
Okay.
If you come to my business and you start punching the windows, you think that's okay?
They're lying. They're lying. What, I mean, how many times do you guys need to realize this? 3 times?
What hotel were you at?
3 times in one day.
What hotel were you trespassing?
Over here at,
what's the name of it?
it's the, hold on. You guys, 3 times in one day. I mean,
right,
seriously.
Whose fault is that?
Is
that our fault, or is it our fault, or is that your fault because of how you're behaving? Come on, Eden. Let's be honest here. Obviously, it's common factor here is you, right?
There's a hotel by
not at all.
On Kenner. You know what that is? By the McDonald's.
Yeah.
But my mom.
She just wants to go to a hotel. So if I take her to the hotel down
Call Brian.
Yeah,
Gerwin wants her to take her team for disorderly intoxication.
If we take her for disorderly intoxication in the jail, let her out in like 8 hours when she sobers.
At least she'll be.
All right, let me call.
Right, call Brian, but I think he wants her to take the team for.
Yeah.
This is crazy. 3 times today.
You got 3
These are calling the police on me.
Right, but
3 times.
that's 3 times
Do you understand? Because they're so scared that my ass will walk away. And I will walk the away unless you do something different.
Okay, but you got to stay here for now because they're not done with their investigation.
Okay. Why do you keep doing this to me?
We don't do anything. We get called.
No, you've been doing this to me.
I wanted to check because the last time we did this with her, when I took her to the jail, they wanted her medically cleared because of her state. She's in the exact same state right now.
My whole life.
15 her from the hospital. Okay, I'll do that. All right, sounds good, sir.
I'm trying to walk to my house, and you keep showing up. I'm trying to be nice.
That's what we doing?
All right, so we want to get you checked out at the hospital.
Oh my God, 3 times today. You people keep you keep messing with me because you can't let me go. Why don't you let me the go?
Above Brian.
So 3 times in
that's
one
why
day. You people can't let me go?
No, we can't. So
3 times in one
let's get
day.
let's get her
So we
backpack off.
10,
You
15.
need
Take it to the-
to get
Can you take your backpack off for me real quick? We can talk to you because you got all that stuff on you. And maybe put your phone down so it doesn't get...
Okay, I need to understand why.
Eden, put your backpack down for a minute. We're gonna explain to you the reason why.
Okay, 3 times in one day, you can't leave me the alone.
We're gonna explain to you in a minute.
Yeah, these people want me dead. Do you understand
We're
me?
gonna take you somewhere so you're safe, okay?
Do you understand me?
Yeah, I know.
They want me dead.
Empty your pocket out. Let's put all your contents in your backpack, okay?
They want me dead,
Okay.
and you guys are just like,
We're gonna take you
you
somewhere you're
guys are
safe.
just filling the bill. You show up, you f me
Put
up.
it right here.
Put it right there.
Right here.
Put
Put it right there.
On the back of
Put
the
it right here.
Right, stay right there, okay? Stay right there. Right, put your hand behind your back. We're gonna detain you, okay?
Why?
Okay, you're under arrest for disorderly intoxication. Don't do this.
Don't make this harder than it has to be.
Can you fit your index finger? Turn her wrist inside like that. Now fit your end.
Why are you arresting me for like nothing?
Disorderly intoxication.
Eden, this is the 3rd time we've gotten a call about you today. You've been trespassed from 4 different places today.
What? You have anything else in your pockets? Which side do you want?
Right side.
We're gonna take you to the hospital to make sure you're okay.
While on the way to the hospital, the female's demeanor became increasingly worse. Here's what she did.
You don't arrest people for doing nothing. Do you understand that? It's called America, you dumb sack of shit.
All right, so Eden, you got to calm down when we go in the hospital, okay?
Listen to me.
Look, if you want to be...
You can't arrest people for doing nothing.
If you-
sack of shit.
If you want to be mad at me, that's fine.
You.
Well, you got to be nice to the ladies in the hospital, though, okay? Because they didn't arrest you and they didn't do anything to you. So when we go in there, be
You're
nice.
a dumb.
Be nice to the ladies in the hospital, okay?
You dumb piece of shit. You don't arrest people for doing nothing. You sack of shit.
All right, Eden. We're going to go talk to them in the hospital so you can get checked out. But you got to be nice to these ladies, okay?
No, I'm very nice.
I
The
know.
police have been called on me 3 times today.
I know.
Because you people don't have anything better to do.
I know.
Why don't you like be dead?
What?
You understand me?
What?
Dead. You know what dead is?
I do know what that is.
Despite the officer begging her to be nice at the hospital, the female lost all sense of reality as soon as she stepped inside the building.
Why are you like? Why are you doing that?
Just.
Wait, no, he's like grabbing my arm like there's a f***ing problem.
You're gonna get another charge, alright?
Alright, I didn't do anything to start with.
Relax.
Oh, I guess Stuart wants me to stay here, so the police keep coming in and f***ing bothering me.
Now, which one you want?
You dumb.
That's not nice.
Come on, let's
I'll f***ing kill you. You people, like, I'm walking home, and you try to get 2 seconds of f***ing fame with your dumb. You're a f***ing idiot.
Hey, what's your name? Relax.
You.
Relax.
I'm walking home, and the police decide to f*** with me. You make me f***ing sick, you worthless f***. Oh, you want to try to get famous for a minute?
What?
I have to switch.
Oh, you want to try to get famous for a minute?
Please, come on.
Oh, would you like to try to get famous for a
Calm down.
join you. Oh, would you like to get famous for
Stop!
They've been following me all day. You guys, they've been following me all day. Trying to get famous.
Hey, listen!
For
Listen, there's children here. Stop!
I don't give a shit.
Clearly,
They've been following me all day. These worthless police officers.
Alright, someone.
They've been following me all day. You worthless.
You guys have soft restraints?
Oh, you will never.
Alright, relax. Relax.
You have been following me all day.
Okay. Listen. Hi. Hello.
They've been following me all day.
Listen.
I did nothing.
Okay.
You worthless. What am I supposed to do? They kicked me out of my hotel room.
I need you to calm down.
Listen to me. They've been following me all day. You worthless piece of shit. The away from me. The away from me. They've been following me all day. They've been following me all day. These cops tried to be heroes.
Listen.
I did nothing.
Listen to us.
I did nothing.
Okay, honey, listen.
I did nothing.
Listen.
I'm just sick of them. Get the fuck away from me.
Okay, look, you have me over here, okay? Please listen for a second.
Get the away from me. You worthless.
One step out for
They're leaving, okay?
Listen, you're gonna step out for 1 second, but I need you to calm down, otherwise you're going for a drop.
I did nothing. They've been following me all day.
The officers left the room so that the female could be calmed, but even after the medical clearance, her behavior was erratic, and she continued resisting.
Go where? You take me to jail? For what? Why are you taking me to jail? You know? Why are you taking me to jail?
Come on, stop. Listen.
Why are you taking me to jail, you piece of
Hey, listen.
You worthless.
You don't want to add.
I did nothing. I was walking down the street.
I understand, but
and
we're not
You had to
arguing.
be a hero. You're a worthless is what you are.
Someone hold these.
You understand me?
Alright, let's go.
You worthless piece of shit.
Let's go. Just walk. Just walk. You're gonna get more charges. Is that what you need? Walk.
Arresting me for trying to be heroes.
Like this.
You make me sick. You're dead. You guys, you tried to act like you're cute for a second.
Relax.
Yeah, you did.